Hey everybody, today is December 20th. It is the 20th installment, 25 days of Christmas. So today is day 20. It is also my grandson Lowe's 12th birthday. And today has kind of been a little bit busy and a little bit off. So I am going to do something quick for this video. I'm sorry, and it's going to be earrings. If it's not your cup of tea, or cappuccino, or coffee, or bourbon, or brandy, or whatever your cuppa is, then go ahead and skip the video, but I wish that you would watch it and leave me a comment at the end. In today's video, I'm going to be making a pair of Christmas earrings for my neighbor. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of these beads because she doesn't like really big earrings, but I'd kind of like to use this as a focal point. But if that makes them too big, then I'll just use some of the beads. Alright, I decided that the one with the large emerald piece was too big, so I ended up with these. This is what I'm going to be doing. And so I'm going to get started on these earrings. I'm going to need this little bead to help these beads stay on because their hole is so large that they just slip right on off the eye pin. And then the next one is going to be this one. And then this one. This is what we've got so far. And then this one. Now, I've already cut the eye pin to the size that I need. And I am not very good at making the loop on the ends of these. But I am going to try to do it with y'all on camera. Wish me luck. I really am not good at doing this. I'm gonna push it back. And then go to the very end. And roll it back. Well, oh, I told you. Oh man, I told you I struggle with this, and when I'm on camera it's worse. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. Oh, oh, good grief. Okay. It's always a struggle when I'm trying to do something on camera. I don't know why. I don't know if I just get nervous. I don't know what the issue is. Good grief, that's all kind of crooked. And that is not going to work at all. Let's see if I can straighten this up some. Okay, alright. Try this again. Try to go from this side to see if I can get it to go. There we go. There we go. Alright. Alright. Okay, I got my loop done, y'all. And it only took me, what, 3 minutes? I don't know. Okay. Now I have, here it is. See if I can get this open without breaking it, because I have a habit of breaking these things. I don't know why, I just do. It just happens. Carefully twist it. And it did not open. Of course it did not open. Okay. And open that time a little bit. That's all I need, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. Now, see if I can get this twisted back. Alright. That went well. Okay. Now, I made the other one off camera, so I do have a pair already. And this is what they look like. I think they're pretty. I think she will love them. Now, my granddaughter also decided, since she saw me making these, she asked me if they were for her, and I told her no, they were a gift. But I did ask her. Oh, big noises. So sorry. Knocked off my jewelry tools. Okay, anyway, I asked her if she would like for me to make her mother a pair for her to give to her for Christmas, and she told me yes. So these are the pieces that I have out for her mom's. Pretty much the same, because if y'all watched the other video where I made the teacher's gift for Lowe's teacher, he said he liked these big pieces because they looked like emeralds, and I think that he will like for his mom to have a pair of earrings made out of them too. Alright, I do have, oh no, come back here. I have a little one. I have my eye pen. This one I do not have cut because I don't know how much of it I need to cut off, because when I was making Mom's first, I ended up having to cut it twice, so I could not measure what I cut off to know how much I needed. That's what you could do when you cut off a piece. Keep the piece and then put it next to the eye pen, and you can cut that piece off and you'll know how much you need on the eye pen. Alright. This one doesn't need that much cut off. I'm going to go ahead and turn it back. And kind of see where I need to cut it. If I make the loop there and roll it, I probably need to cut it about right there. Okay. Oh, well, now let me do that again because I didn't have those cutters where I could see them. Okay, if I started here and roll it, about right there. Might have to cut it off some more. I don't know. Okay. Put your finger on it and make sure it doesn't fly everywhere. And then roll it. Is it going to cooperate, or is it going to give me fits too? Oh. Roll it. think I need to cut some more off. Yep. Okay. Oh, might be cutting too much of it off right now. Oh, might not be cutting any of it off. All right, let's try this again. All right. And the other one has a very small loop, and I want this one to have a small loop to match it. Pretty close, I think. Pretty close. I think that's good. Alright, I got to get the earring wires to put on hers because she has sensitive ears. And so let me get those wires and I'll show you what they look like with the wires on. Okay, I've got my stainless steel ear wires out. That's what these are, stainless steel because she has sensitive ears. I'm going to hold this in place with this one. See if I can get it to turn out for me without giving me too much trouble. Works if you hold it in the right spot. Put this one on. And turn it back. Okay, that's where that one needs to be. I have another pair of pliers. I've misplaced them. I had them and I thought I put them with the rest of them, but I obviously didn't because now I have no idea where they are and I cannot find them. So I'm having to use what I've got on hand, and sometimes that isn't the best thing, but you do what you can with what you got when you have it where you need it. I will find them eventually. Here's this pair. Oh, come on. And there's that pair. All right, y'all. Here you go. 2 complete pairs of beautiful Christmas earrings. 2 complete pairs of beautiful Christmas earrings made quite quickly. And I think they are really pretty. And I think they are very Christmassy. And I know my neighbor is going to love hers. And I think that my granddaughter and grandson's mom will like these too. All right. If you made it to the end, I appreciate it. I hope you liked the earrings. If you like them, please leave me a like. Leave me a comment with a Christmas emoji if you made it to the end. I would appreciate if you actually would say something, but if not, then a Christmas emoji will do. And I appreciate you watching. And if you've subscribed, you're wonderful. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Go ahead, hit that button today. We make earrings, and we make mistakes, and we make resin things. There's no telling what you might see on my channel. Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. And I will catch you on the next video. It will be day 21.